everybody, welcome to Gene Experiments. Today we're making a tornado in a bottle with my assistant, Gift. The ingredients we need for this experiment are 3/4 of water to be exact, some dishwashing liquid, a clear plastic bottle with a cap that will not leak. First of all, you pour in the 3/4 of water into this bottle. Next, you add in a few drops of dishwashing liquid. And then, add in some glitter. Assistant, may you pass me the glitter, please? Right, not too much, not too little. We use glitter to make our tornado easier to see. Me and my assistant chose pink and blue because pink and blue never goes wrong. That is a lot. Thank you. Next, close the cap shut. Then, up, down, shake it. Assistant, may you please shake left and right? Yeah, harder. Yeah, you can do it. Now right, now left. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now flip your bottle upside down and you can see the tornado. See? So pretty. Well, ta-da, this is our creation. This is how your tornado is supposed to look like in the end. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Gene Experiments and turn on the notification bell so that you know whenever there is a new video. Bye-bye!